Shanghai Lijing Washing Machinery Manufacturing Company Ltd. is developing into the best industrial laundry equipment manufacturer in China, specializing in R&D, production and marketing of complete industrial laundry equipment, including industrial washing machine, dryer, dry cleaning machine, flat work ironing machine, folding machine, etc. The head office covers an area of 40,000 square meters. It has more than 100 sets of production and processing equipment, as well as advanced technology and equipment. Shanghai Lijing has a professional product design and R&D team consisting of more than 20 engineers, more than 100 technicians, and a global-oriented professional after-sales service team, providing customers with high-quality services and total solutions. Our products have been applied in different fields, such as laundries, hotels, hospitals, schools, factories, etc. Our products have been exported to 98 countries and are well received among more than 3,000 customers from around the world. All of our products in the company conform to the EU standard and have CE certificate. The factory has passed the certification of ISO 9001 Quality Management System, SGS, BV, TUV, Environmental Certification, etc. In order to enhance customer satisfaction, we carry out factory inspection and improvement every year. We've been adhering to product renewal and enhancement of quality and after-sales service. We take delight in mutual help and have a strong team awareness. We are not only passionate, creative, and proficient in all of the products, but also are very familiar with customer demands and able to solve customers' problems quickly. Through the efforts of the whole staff, we have made great achievements during past 3 decades. Besides, we have developed some new products continuously and enhanced the product quality in order to help customers with market expansion.
Okay, our journey starts from Edinburgh. We came all the way from Scotland to the factory. We was really impressed about the quality, the size, the protection was felt is really quality, and I'm really happy with everyone I met today, from the customer service to even I met some people on the production line which would look very happy to see me and talk to me, and thank you for everything. Thank you.
So we came all the way from Scotland to Shanghai to see the factory for the machines, production machines. We're very happy with the service. All the staff were great. Our riding has been spectacular for us today, helping us to find the correct machine. And until now, we're very, very happy with the service.
Our goal is to become your partner in progress. Welcome to join us and build a better future together.